Yeah, sure. Rabash, article number 35, the 15th of Av. Baal Salam said about the verse that the Creator said to Moses, and the Lord said to him, what is that in your hand? And he said, a staff. And he said, throw it on the ground. And it became a serpent. And Moses fled from it. He said that Moses' hands are called faith. It is regarded as of little importance, since man craves only knowledge. Where he sees that there is no knowledge that he wants to obtain, he cannot attain the matter. He argues that he is already exerted in this work, so he can do everything for the Creator, but he did not move one bit. Thus, the body tells him, give up on this, and do not think that you will ever be able to attain it. So, get off this path. At that time, the Creator tells him, throw it on the ground, meaning this is what you should do before the people of Israel.
That is actually the essence of our work, the central point of our work, that all of our knowledge, the staff that supposedly leads me on the path, I toss it and see that it was a serpent. And by that, I can already overcome to the true work. What should we... Let's think together. Let's speak now together. Also, before we run away, each one to his own business. How can we, during the day, in your group, speak now? How can we, during the day, reveal the quality of Moses between us? That is the main thing. From this, the whole path of correction starts from Moses. How can we implement this correction of Moses between us and the 10? It's written that Moses was found in the Nile, that they took him out of the river. And Pharaoh's daughter, who saw him, said, I'm taking this baby from the water, and I will raise him. And her name was Batya, the daughter of Pharaoh. That's why she gave Moses the name Moshe, from the word to pull, to draw out of the water. We want this name to be upon us, that Moshe, the one who pulls, but not from the Nile, but that the force of Moses pulls all the vessels below him, the vessels of Netzach Hod Yesod Malchut, all of those vessels, he pulls them and raises them above to Chagat, to Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Chesed, Gvura, Tiferet, and in this way pulls them all. That's why we need, or we want to be, beneath the force of Moshe, the Torah of Moshe. This is actually the main force in our connection. So how do we try to put together between us the quality of Moses. Also between us and the world. How do we do it? Or in a different way, how do we pull ourselves and the world up to the Creator? That's the role of Moses. Please, how do we pull all of humanity, the whole world, all the worlds, to the Creator? Each and every one needs to do it. And all of us together. Please. A few minutes, short workshop.